Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyurl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smartyurl.it/pass. This video channel is at smartyurl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here is information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartyurl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartyurl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's the problem for today for exam P on probability. A machine has two parts labeled A and B. The probability that part A works for 1 year is 0.8, and the probability that part B works for 1 year is 0.6. The probability that at least one part works for 1 year is 0.9. Calculate the probability that part B works for 1 year, given that part A works for 1 year. And here's the solution. Let us write A for the event that part A works for 1 year, and B for the event that part B works for 1 year. So the problem gives us that probability of A is 0.8, probability of B is 0.6, and probability of A union B is 0.9. By the way, note that in a problem like this, we always start by labeling the events, and then writing down the information that is given, and then asking ourselves what we're looking for. Well, we are looking for probability of B given A. And we have, by definition of conditional probability, the probability of B given A is probability of A intersection B, which is the same as B intersection A, divided by probability of A. Now, probability of a union of A and B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of intersection of A and B, and therefore the probability of intersection of A and B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A union B. So what we're doing here is we using the formula for the probability of the union, and we restructure it into the probability of an intersection formula, but they're equivalent. And of course you must memorize this formula for the test, or you will if you use it a lot. So yes, you should memorize it, and it will happen if you do a lot of practice. And that's equal to 0.8 plus 0.6 minus 0.9 over 0.8. So 0.8 plus 0.6 is 1.4, minus 0.9 is 0.5. So this is 0.5 over 0.8, which is the same as 5 over 8. And that's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.